Today we're gonna make some shelves using IKEA BEKVAM. For this you will need some BEKVAM shelves, some tools and some paint. Start by putting the shelves together, just following the instructions in the package. BEKVAM is originally a kitchen shelf made for spices, but can be used as many other things as well. Like this video, we're going to use it for some bookshelves and a clothes rack. To make the clothes rack, I flip the screw plates on one of the shelves, like this. We add some paint on our shelves, but this is totally up to you. They do look great as they are as well. However, if you paint it, we recommend you that you paint it twice and not just once. When you put them on the wall, we also recommend you that you use a spirit level. You probably already have it, but if you don't, it's a cheap tool. You can buy it for a few dollars, and I promise you will find use for it in the future. Last but not least, we put some books in it and we hang up the clothes our daughter's gonna use the next day. Did you like the video? If you did, check out our other videos. Thanks.